Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate text alerts on Wells Fargo account, security setup step by step clearly. To activate text alerts on your Wells Fargo account, start by visiting the Wells Fargo website. Log into your Wells Fargo online banking account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section in the main menu. Look for the Alerts option within the Accounts section. Click on Alerts to open the Alert Preferences page. You will see a variety of alert options available. Select the types of alerts you wish to receive via text message. Common options include balance alerts, transaction alerts, and security alerts. After selecting your preferred alerts, find the section to input your mobile phone number. Enter the mobile number where you would like to receive alerts. Make sure to include the correct country code if necessary. Review your entries for accuracy before proceeding. Once everything looks correct, click on Save or Submit to finalize your settings. You may receive a confirmation text to verify your mobile number. If prompted, respond to the message as instructed to confirm your enrollment. Your text alerts will now be activated. You can return to this section at any time to modify your alert preferences. Keep your contact information updated to ensure you receive timely alerts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.